To use a green screen, there's a couple things you're going to need. And today I'm going to show you how to set up a green screen, how to use a green screen in iMovie, and a little bit about what kind of background I'm going to be using to give it a cool look.
Hey everybody, Trey here from Trey Designs. You may know me from the Vineyard Chicks, and if you don't, come visit our homestead in music. I also love technology and art, and that's what you'll find here. So thanks for being here, and if you'd like my content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.
You've noticed when I film my videos, I'm commonly stationed at Bunky's garden, and while that's a great background and it's really nice, it's not exactly the techie feel I was going for on my channel, and since I'm a tech channel, I decided that I would use a green screen background. Now, our only green screen is currently stationized behind my drum set, so here we are. I'm just gonna set myself up here at my drum set, and if I hit a cymbal every now and then, that's just... All we have to do is get a green screen, and you can just get like a green cloth off of Amazon or wherever. We just use thumbtacks to put it up on the wall. You could also spray paint your wall, but I don't think Mom will let me do that. The next thing you need to do is record your video in front of the green screen. So I'm just here behind my green screen, recording stuff to use in my green screen video. And then the next thing you're going to need is what background you're going to use. Now, I do digital art, and so I decided I would make a few backgrounds of my own, like this one. What do you think of that one? Or, that one's fun. You can also search on YouTube or Google what kind of background you want, like say you want a turtle background, or you could even search like if you want a moving one, simple video or animation of a cow. Whatever you want your background to be, you can find that video online or you can make one yourself. Now in iMovie, which is the software we use to make our videos, you will have to put your... First, you'll want to import your background. So you just drag it into your iMovie timeline and edit it however you want. You can put a filter on it, you can slow it down, speed it up, change it however you want, crop it, Ken Burns, whatever fun effects you want to put to it. Next thing you're going to do is take the clip that you recorded of you in front of your green screen and put it into iMovie as well. So far, all you're going to see is you sitting in front of a green screen, and you won't see the background at all. So click on your video so that it highlights in yellow, and then go to above your video. It'll have an option. In the first one, you click on it, and then you click on another button, and your options will be cutaway, picture-in-picture, split screen, and green-blue screen. Now, you want to go with green-blue screen. Now, what that means is if you want to, you can use a green screen or you can use a blue screen. You can also buy those wherever you shop. Pretty much it's the same thing, but it's blue, and that's helpful if you want to use, if you want to wear a green shirt. You can wear a green shirt and let the background change with your shirt. That's cool too, but... If you want to have something that's green in your video, like say you want to show off a painting you made and it's green, if you use green screen setting, you won't be able to see it, you'll see through it, and you'll see like background there, and that'll look weird. You can use a blue screen instead. Now once you click on that, you can crop, edit, or change your background however you want. And if you want to switch it out at random points in time, you just put another background in. It's really, really simple to do.